Hi lovelies, let me quickly show you how to cut out this neckline. Firstly, get your basic bodice pattern ready, like so. Then from the center front on the shoulder line, you have to measure out 4 inches for the neck width, like so, from the center front. Then here, measure down 1 inch downward for shoulder slope, then you connect like so. So from the shoulder line, just measure 8 inches downward for the neck width. And what you have on the shoulder, make sure you have it here as well, which is 4 inches from the center front. After that, you have to connect like so. Now, after connecting, you measure from the shoulder line on this line, you have to measure 2 inches downward. From these 2 inches, you measure another 2 inches. From these 2 inches, you measure another 2 inches, making 2 inches interval on this line. So I'm trying to make it visible for you guys to see and understand. So on this line, I'm going to measure 1 inch outward like so. On the second point, I'm going to measure 2 inches, and on the third point, I'm going to measure 3 inches outward. So I'm just rolling it out for you guys to understand. So on this first line, I have 1 inch, and on the second line, I have 2 inches. On the third line, I have 3 inches, while on the fourth line I have 4 inches. So I'll go ahead and connect like so with the cuff. Just be careful while connecting. You have to connect it like so to give you what you want. And after connecting this way, I'm going to cut it out. And guys, if this video is helpful to you, please like it, share it to make it go viral. Leave a comment down below for me to know if you have any 1 or 2 things from my video. And most especially, make sure you follow or subscribe for more beautiful and amazing video. Just be careful while cutting. And now this is the outcome. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like, share, and follow for more videos. Bye for now.